लागता, कारण हो दीस आमी सगळे आवय बापूय आतुरतेन पळोवपाक राविल्ले. ह्या भुरग्यांनी आपूण गोंयकारपणाचे खऱ्या अर्थान भारतीय मातयेचे खरोखर पूत आनी धुवो म्हणून सिद्ध करून दाखयले. म्हजें काळीज एकदम उमाळून आयलें. तांकां ही आपली कला भारतनाट्यम तुमचे मुखार सादर करतात ती पळोवन. भुरग्यानो, आम्हा पालकाची तुमी एक काळजां एकट्याची काळजां विचित्र नादान भरून काडली. सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार गोवा म्हणजे खुबश्या गोंयच्या भायल्या लोकांक दिसता की हे बेबदे जुगार पलगां मारपी, म्हूण हें चुकीचें चिंतप जावन आसा. आमचो मानाचो सोयरो गोंयकार, तो गोंयचो सुपुत्र, वेवसायीक पातळीचेर नामनेचो बाबा नायक. ही आमची भुरगीं हो आरंगेत्रम करतात ती भारत मातेचे संस्काराचे आयज आपुणूय खरे दायजी जाले. अनुग्रहम गुरू कडल्यान विद्या घेवप. टिचर साचिका तांची गुरू आनी तिचे पूर्ण मार्गदर्शना खाल आमची माणकुली फुलां आनी कळो आयज ह्या नाचाच्या मळार परजळीत जातात. गुरू साचिकाची आनी तिचे बरोबर तिच्या दिपश्री आनी सगळे ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटीव स्टाफ, नृत्य संकुलाचे बरे मागपी, म्युझिशन्स, प्रेस आनी हेर सगळे फूल ना पाकळी दिवपी आनी कांय ना कांय वाटेन आदार दिवपाक आमची सलामी. मोगाळ भावा भयणांनो, आनी एक सांगून दिसता, सगळ्या सोयऱ्या दायऱ्याक भोव करून विलायतेक साकून आयल्यात ते ऑस्ट्रेलिया, कॅनडा, लंडन, जर्मनी, गल्फानसन आनी भारताचे हेर वाठारांनी, थंयसन केरला ते नॉर्थाक पर्यंत मुद्दाम तुमी आयले आनी आमच्या भुरग्याक तुमचो तेंको दिलो आनी तांकां प्रोत्साहीत करपाक आयले म्हणून आमचे तुमकां दिनवास. मोगाळ भावा भयणांनो, तुमच्या आशिर्वादाची आमच्या भुरग्यांचेर अपेक्षा दवरून म्हजी ही सुमार 250 उतरां सोंपयता. जय भारत, जय गोंय.
The next composition is Jatiswaram. This is a Nritta composition and is executed to the tune of Swara passages. Here the dancer follows the notes of the raga and interprets them in dance patterns. The way the notes are rendered dictates the dance movements, and the direct link between music and dance is very obvious. Presenting before you Jatiswaram, set in Ragam Kalyani and Talam Rupak.
तलंक तक दिकी तक तदि गिण तुम तज्जम तरी तक ता तकुंतरी कुकुंतरी किट तक तक जम तरी तक ते तकुंतरी कुकुंतरी किट तक तज्जम तरी तक ता तक जम तरी तक ते तज्जम तरी तक जम तरी ता दी तक दिक तदि गिण तुम तक दिक तदि गिण तुम तक दिक तदि गिण तुम
May I now call upon Riddhi, Tanha, Simran, Nayusha and Vidisha to come on stage and shared their experience with us.
Good evening. I am Riddhi Khandeparkar. We all have dreams, but in order to make dreams come into reality, it takes an awful lot of determination, dedication, self-discipline, effort, and inspiration. My inspiration was my sister Purvi. Performing Arangetram was my dream since the day I saw my sister perform her Arangetram. Right as the name of our Arangetram, Anugraham suggests accepting knowledge from the Guru. Teacher Sachika's knowledge, hard work, and blessings have played a major role in making my dream come true. Nevertheless, my parents have also provided me with constant support and encouraged me all throughout my preparations for the Arangetram. Right at this point of time, I can recollect one of my favorite proverbs. Many hands make light work, to represent the unity amongst us, the performers and the parents, that made the idea of this Arangetram a success. Last but not the least, I would like to thank musicians Ravi sir and Bhagwat sir and vocalist Jyoti ma'am. I also take this opportunity to thank teacher Deepashri, Tanisha Didi, Manali Didi for supporting us all throughout our preparations, and teacher Priya for giving us wonderful warm-up exercises of Zumba every day before practices. Finally, a big thank you to the audience for gathering in large numbers to inspire us and making this Arangetram a grand success. Thank you.
Namaskaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Tanha Santosh Ponappan, studying in the 9th standard in the King's School. Dance has always been very close to my heart and my passion. Bharatanatyam was an instant choice because of the grace and a sense of Indian culture it would instill in me. An investment of 6 years of learning Bharatanatyam fructifies today with the Arangetram, a dream of every true classical dancer. It has been an uphill task involving concentrated doses of learning at the dance school every week, interspersed with rigorous practices at home. Finally, the milestone reached. I thank the Almighty for making all these happen. I'm truly blessed. I'm equally thankful to my guru, Mrs. Sachika Almera Sharma, for nurturing the talent for dance in me and molding me to this level. I'm extremely fortunate to be one of her students. I also take this opportunity to thank teacher Deepashri and all other teachers of Nitya Sankul. Further, I wish to thank Ma'am Ligia Pereira, director of the King's School, who always encouraged me to develop and hone all my other skills besides academics, dance being one of them, thereby ensuring an all-round personality development. Thank you, ma'am. My parents stood by me throughout my journey leading to the Arangetram, especially my mother, without whose unconditional support and sacrifices I would have never made this far. I would ever remain indebted to them. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. A very special thanks to my uncle who has come all the way from my native town in Kerala to attend my Arangetram despite his busy schedule. I also thank the renowned musicians who have traveled from far to provide their valuable support to our Arangetram. All said and done, no performance is complete without an audience. And when it happens to be such a wonderful audience as the one present here today, there is nothing a performer could ask for more. I profusely thank the distinguished guests, parents, relatives, well-wishers, and each one of you for making this Arangetram so special to me and my fellow participants. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Simran Nerurkar, studying in the King's School in Standard 7. I joined dance at the age of 7 years when I was studying in Standard 2. I still remember on the first day of dance class, my mother holding my hand and taking me to the class. It was a very exciting moment. My journey towards dance had lots of good and bad experiences. There was a time I wanted to give up dance since it was affecting my studies. but my mother stood firm behind me like a shield and motivated me to complete it. I had to overcome lots of hurdles too. But as the saying goes, there's no gain without pain. Today, I take this opportunity to thank my mom and dad for being so encouraging, supportive, and for taking all the pains to make this day a success. I also thank Daddy, Valyama for their support and all my kakas and kakis, above all, Padma Mama and Sunita Mami for their love, concern, and for always being beside me. I was very much thrilled when we were told that the heads of the schools are invited for giving away a Arangetram certificate. Madam Lija, it will be my pleasure to receive the certificate from your hands. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my guru, Ms. Sachika Almeida Sharma. There is so much to speak about her, but since as only 2 minutes are allotted to me, I will brief up. She has always been beside me and has cuddled me and nurtured me in this field of dance. More than a teacher, she is like a friend to me. I don't know how 6 years just passed away. We are her 10 disciples, so we had named our group as Das Kadam. Above all, I thank the Almighty God for giving me this opportunity to perform today. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. I am Naisha Dakuinya. Today, in your presence, I would like to begin by offering my humble thanks to Almighty God. For all that I am is His blessings in my life. I thank Him for two beautiful people, my parents. I still remember the day when they took me to Sachika ma'am after I expressed my desire to learn dance. Till today, they have been my greatest support. While Sachika ma'am always gave my companions and me 100%. We are very proud to perform our Arangetram under the guidance of our Guru. I take this opportunity to offer my heartfelt gratitude to Father Mario for teaching me the solfege and keyboard, and Sir Victor who helped me to train under him for grade 5 in Trinity College, London, and learn the violin. These facets of art have given me a very wholesome approach to life. I love chess and solving the Rubik's Cube. This has been possible as ma'am has triggered the hemispheres of our brains. I now seek your good wishes and blessings in my life, health, and my academic endeavors. And once again, I sincerely offer my sincere thanks to your support today. Thank you.
Namaskar. I am Vidisha, daughter of Srimati Karishma and Shri Sudhakar Gaukar, disciple of Guru Ms. Sachika Almeida Sharma. Now let me say a few words about my journey towards dance and what the dance means to me. My mother is very fond of dance, but she didn't get a chance. Because of my mother's wish and my personal feeling, I got attracted in this art. Now, dance is my passion. For me, dance is the hidden language of the soul. I don't dance because I want to, but I dance because I need to. Dancing gives me immense pleasure, keeps me fresh, fit and fine, so I will continue dancing. When I joined Nritya Sankul 6 years back, I was nervous, feeling shy, had less confidence, had stage fear. Now I am changed completely. Thank you to respected Guru, Teacher Sachika and Teacher Dipashri ma'am and other supporting staff. Finally, I thank my dear parents for their unconditional support and continuous hardship they took for me, because of which I am here today to perform Arangetram. Thank you one and all.